Okay, I'm back. Let's see if we can make this video this time. I kind of got messed up the last time I tried to do this. Anyways, so I'll point out the brackets that I'm using, and I'll point out the support that I'm using in the middle of the ladder, and we'll go from there. So these are the brackets. Made a video on them sometime back. They just support the ladder. And then I use these bolts right here, to put in front of the rung so that the ladder, when the chainsaw goes on, the ladder can't slide forward any further than that. It also keeps the ladder from sliding side to side. So you got to have it at both ends. There we go. Next, carriage bolts and T-nuts. So I discovered this handy little bugger right here. Oops. A T-nut. This particular T-nut takes a 3/8 inch by 18, and I have both 3-inch and 5-inch carriage bolts. And so what I've done is I've taken the T-nuts. Let's see if I can do this. All right, here we go. So I've taken the T-nuts, I drilled some 7/16 inch holes into the bottom of this board that I've suspended across the bottom of the ladder. And then I screwed the board to the bottom of the ladder with just some simple drywall screws on both sides. And we'll take those carriage bolts and we'll put those into those T-nuts. Bear with me. I know I'm going back and forth a little bit, but hang tight. We're gonna get right to the point here. So here we go. Carriage bolts, thread in here like so. And then the carriage bolts, the square on the bottom underside of the carriage bolts takes an 8mm wrench, and the nuts are a 1/2 inch nut. So let's get this real quick. Okay, here we go. So you can see the carriage bolts are in place. And then I wind the nuts up to the bottom of the bolt just to secure it, make sure those carriage bolts don't vibrate and come loose. They stay right there. They give good support to the ladder. So let's see if we can make our first cut now.